What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Young HVAC. And guess where I'm at? I'm at my trade school. But this isn't my trade school anymore. This is where your boy work at. So, if you guys have been wondering where I've been at, I have been here, getting everything ready. Despite the coronavirus, your boy landed a very good position here at my trade school. I am gonna be a lab instructor, first-handedly, if that's a word, helping the guys out in the lab before they even make it to the field. So, you guys know my passion anyways was to be able to help everybody the best that I can. And what better way to help people than right here at the school? National Technical Institute here in Henderson. We have two campuses. There's one in Arizona, Phoenix, Arizona, and then there's one here in Henderson, Nevada, or Las Vegas, really close to Las Vegas. So I know it's been a while, but I wanted to give everybody an update on what's been going on with your boy. And this is what's been going on. I'm here at the school right now. There's no classes going on because of the COVID-19, but there's only a few members here, so we're still practicing our social distancing, making sure nobody's coughing on your boy. But yeah, I'm here, and what we're doing is we're filming videos for the online program that we have. So if anyone is interested in still going to a trade school, we have an online program where you can watch videos of everything that goes on, the same exact stuff that you'd learn in a classroom. And then after all the stuff clears up, you can come in with me and we'll go over everything in the lab together to lock that information in. Then after that, you can jump right in the field, because I got a feeling this summertime is gonna be a one to remember, especially if you're in the hotter areas. Because one good thing about HVAC, no matter if there's zombies outside, well, that's kind of extreme, but still, no matter what's going on, people are gonna be hot, people are gonna be cold, and they're gonna want you to fix their air conditioning. So you need to learn how to do it. Plus, the demand for HVAC technicians in general is gonna be skyrocketing in the next 5 years. So you wanna get in where you can get in. The way I got this position is, remember that video that I made about the trade school, the tour, where I was showing everybody what goes on in a trade school, or like what to expect from a trade school that you might go to. The members of the school, they all seen that video, they really loved it, and they pushed it through to the big guy. And the big guy calls me and he lets me know that someone all the way in Phoenix, Arizona signed up for school because of me. And I'm like, wait a minute. You telling me people are becoming HVAC technicians from watching my videos? And they're like, yeah. So I'm like, okay, so where you going with this? And like, look, we like what you're doing with the videos. We want to bring you on board. Make a long story short, now I'm here. I'm a part of the team. They're taking good care of me. Your boy's making just as much money, if not more money, than what I be making in the field right now. So why not? Plus, this is gonna help me even more with my mission. I just want people to keep becoming technicians and keep going to trade school. And plus, I'm gonna be the one in the lab with you. If you come here to this location, we're in Henderson, Nevada, National Technical Institute, NTI. If you come to this location, just ask about your boy, tell him you wanna be in. You can, listen, I got it so good here that they even know me as Young HVAC. But my name is Derek, so whatever you choose, just let them know who sent you if you wanna sign up to the school. So, this is just an update video, and I just wanted to let you guys know where I've been, because people are still watching my videos, and I know they're probably wondering, where's the new videos? But that's what I'm here to explain. That's why I made this video, because I've been at work. I've been getting everything settled in through this crazy time. But I'm not gonna act like I've been extremely busy. I've been pretty lazy and I haven't been making videos. So now I'm back to making videos because this is what you guys like to see. I'm here. I'm in the school. I'm a part of the school. I'm a part of this program. This is the new castle for your boy, Young HVAC. So, if you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave the link to where you can find out more information about this program, because we have programs here where you could be done in 4 months. I know a lot of people have been going to programs where you're taking 1 year, taking 8 months. How about this? You come to this program, let me and the staff here get you out in the field in 4 months. And you're gonna learn all the same things. It's your boy Young HVAC, and I wanted to let you guys know what I've been up to. This is just an update video. Thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna end this video with a tour of the campus one more time, just a quick walkthrough. So if you wanna see a complete walkthrough of the program, then you just stay tuned. Oh, we also have a plumbing and electrician program. Over the course of this lockdown, I'm gonna be helping with the plumbing program to film the plumbing videos. So now you can take the online HVAC course, but coming extremely soon, you'll be able to take an online plumbing course, come in, do your plumbing labs, and get your license and jump right in the field. We are changing the game here, and I'm happy to be a part of this. So it's your boy Young HVAC. Today's been a good day so far. I'm here, I'm working, I'm making money. I'm not bored in the house, but if you are bored in the house, thanks for watching this video. Go watch all my other videos, and I'm gonna have some more videos coming up pretty soon. See you later. you.